How are you? I am Adams. I am English teacher of ZPH Spice Atmakar. I am very happy with you to stay here. Our respective DOs are instructed us on account of Corona holidays. There is no any source to have regular classes. Meanwhile, by his instructions, we are conducting online classes. So today, I would like to discuss some main points how to achieve our goal, how to get good GPA in English subject. As an English teacher, I have to share my views, few views. Listen carefully. Are you able to understand? Okay. So, before going to start the class, I would like to say that you are your own competitor. There is no any other competitor in your class or in your society. So you must work with self-confidence, keeping the goal in your mind always. Then nothing on earth can stop you. Your hard work leads you to success. So before going to get good result or good marks in your examination, you should know what is the structure of question paper. And according to NCERT, according to continuous comprehensive evaluation, every subject has divided into two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. I think you've written language 1, language 2, first language and second language. So our state government of Telangana will held the examinations in this month by last week. So today we have to success. To get success, we should know the structure of question paper. So first we will know the paper 1. What is paper 1 and what is the structure of question paper? We should know that. So the question paper has divided into 3 sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Under Section A, the academic standard is reading comprehension. In this reading comprehension, there are 12 questions. That is, one is A reading. Under A reading, they may ask 1 to 7 questions. They will give 10 marks. And under B and C reading, there are 5 more questions that comes from the textbook itself. And another section B, so there is another assessment thing, that is vocabulary and grammar. Under vocabulary and grammar, 13 to 17, there are 5 questions may ask by that editing. So they will give a passage and 5 sentences. In that 5 sentences, there are some errors. We have to find the errors and correct them. So that is editing passage. They catch 5 marks. And another group, 18 to 22 and 18 to 27, there are 10 more questions. Under that 18 to 22, choosing right word. It is multiple choice questions. They will give 2.5 marks. And another 18 to 27, rewrite as directly. They will give one example and we have to write another remaining 5 questions. So they will catch 2.5 marks. Then another most important and easy carrying marks assessment.
23 to 27,
yes, sir. 20, yes, 18, yes, 23, I'm sorry. So it is 23. Another assessment is creative writing. Creative writing is divided into 2 groups. Group A and Group B. In Group A, there is a question, the 28th question. They ask from the textbook, it is major discourse. Under major discourse, we know that, already we practiced that, there are some stories and narrations and interviews and conversations, etc. And under 29th question, it is B, Group B. So that is minor discourse. So in minor discourse, we know that a simple format of notice or simple format of invitation or message like that. So if we know thoroughly the structure of question paper, it is very easy to get 100 by 100 marks. So in first paper we know that they are 40 marks and there are another 20 marks in our school, in our class, they will award the internal marks. So paper 1 40 marks and then paper 2 40 marks and internal marks are 20. So total 100 marks. So another thing we should note that there is an internal choice for the question 28 under section C. So in that 28th question, they may ask two questions. So you have to write one discourse for that two. So this is the pattern of question paper. And today, how to get good marks, how to get good GPA in English, we have to practice more and more. Practice makes man perfect. So today, I would like to give some idea how to write an interview. So, for example, in question paper, in paper 1, if they ask like this question, write an imaginary interview with Savitri basing on details provided in the lesson, a tribute, you are a news reporter. So, for example, they ask this question, how can we write? First, we should know what is an interview. We should know what is an interview. Then we can write easily. What is an interview? An interview is conversation. Think about conversation. Conversation where one participant asks questions and other provide answers. Simply, we should know that it is a communication or it is a conversation. Interview is nothing but conversation. How can we write conversation? So, they ask the question. In the lesson, a tribute, you are a news reporter. So, the detailed based on the lesson tribute. What is lesson tribute says? So, I will give some notes about that Savitri from that textbook. Then we will try to write the imaginary interview. Listen carefully, children. You make it note these points, important points. Then only you will write easy interview. You see, Savitri was a great Telugu film actress. You know, she was a great Telugu film actress. And another point, her first tribute is Agni Pariksha. Agni Pariksha was her debut film. She was offered a role in film when she was 12 years. But she was dropped from the movie and she looked too young for the role. She played in Patala Bhairavi. She acted in some sequence only, but it seems her a recognition as a potential artist, but she was given a role of less importance in the film, in that Samsara. As it was in the beginning, she took many mistakes and was nervous. She was replaced with another actress. Then she was given a role of important character of Parvati in Devadasu movie. It was the role of a rich man's wife. Savitri played in another movie in Missamma. It's a great movie. She played role of a Christian girl who pretended as a wife of a Hindu youth in Ramarao. And Savitri captured the audience with her charm and magnificent acting in Maya Bazar as the role of Shashireka. It was a milestone in career. So this is a brief information about Savitri. Then we have to prepare a interview as an imaginary news reporter. So how can we prepare an interview? We will see. So for example, you are a reporter of the Hindu. So at first you met Savitri. So you greet her. First you see the pattern of interview will see. But first as a reporter you greet her. Good morning, madam. Savitri. Yes, good morning. Madam, I am a reporter from the Hindu paper. I want an interview with you, madam. Okay, let's start. See agrees. What is your debut film in the Telugu? As a reporter, you asked the question. Savitri smiled and she answered that Agni Pariksha was my first debut in this film industry when I was 12 years old. Reporter, what role did you play in Patala Bhairavi? Savitri answered, I acted in a song sequence only, but it gave me a recognition as potential artist. Reporter, why were you given a role of less importance in the film Samsaram? Savitri, as it was in the beginning, I took many takes and was nervous. I was replaced with another actress. Reporter, as a reporter, can you tell us something about character of Parvati in Devadasu? Parvati smiles again. Yes, it was one of the greatest role I played. I was able to have many marks in that evergreen Telugu film. As a reporter, I asked again another question. What do you say about Missamma? It was another great movie. I played the role as a Christian girl who pretended as a wife of a Hindu youth. Which role do you feel great in your career? I like the role of Shashireka in Maya Bazar. It was a milestone in my career. So like this, the interview continue. Then as a reporter, I say thank you. Thank you, madam, for the valuable interview. Thank you. You are welcome. She finished. So like this, we have to write an imaginary interview and we will get more marks in that exam. So I think you are able to understand. Are you understand? Yes. Okay. We will continue the class tomorrow. We will discuss another thing tomorrow.
అయిపోయింది సార్
5 నిమిషాలు. Start with it.
5 నిమిషాలు
Una.